Listen up. You feel it, right? The world is changing. Fast. AI isn't some far-off sci-fi movie anymore. It's here, on your phone, in your apps. It's creating a brand new gold rush. No pickaxe, no covered wagon. You just need a laptop, a little bit of hustle. This is your chance to build something. Something that works while you sleep. Making money while you sleep. Passive income. AI is the key. What is passive income? Money from a system you set up once. You do the work up front. You build the machine. The machine keeps running. It keeps making you money with very little daily effort. Think of a book you write. You write it once. It can sell for years. Now imagine a tool that helps you write 10 books. Or 100. That's AI, a force multiplier for your ideas and effort. Builds money-making machines faster and cheaper than ever. Not get rich quick. I'm not selling you that garbage. This is about being smart, seeing the opportunity and grabbing it. Many are scared of AI. They think it's too complicated. They think it'll take jobs. The smart ones, the hustlers, see it's a tool, like the internet, like social media. Early adopters won. This is your moment. Don't sit on the sidelines. Forget old ideas about starting a business. No huge bank loan. No fancy office. No need to be a tech genius or a coding wizard. AI tools are designed to be simple, built for you, the user. A willingness to learn, a little patience. Start this week, right now, from your living room. This essay is your map, your guide to the new gold rush. Let's get into it. Okay, so how are we going to do this? I'm going to give you a simple playbook, a framework you can use over and over again. I call it the Hook List Action Framework. Hook, list, action. It's easy. First, we start with a hook, the big idea that grabs attention. Then I give you a clear, numbered list of 10 real-world ways to use AI to make money. No fluff, no confusing jargon, just practical ideas you can actually use. This isn't theory, it's a how-to guide. After each idea, we get to the most important part, action. I'll break down exactly what you need to do with simple, step-by-step instructions. I'll tell you what tools you need. I'll tell you how much effort it might take. I'll tell you how you actually make money from it. Your job is simple. Read the action steps and do them. You take that first step, then the next one. That's how you build momentum. That's how you go from reading an idea to making it happen. Action is everything. Before we dive in, look at the cover page of this essay. Show one-page plan? I made it for you. It's a one-page plan. Print it out and put it on your wall. Use it to track your progress. It's designed to keep you focused. As you read, one or two ideas will jump out and spark you. When that happens, write it down on the cover page. Write which idea you'll try first. This makes it real. It turns a wish into a plan. Let's be real. This will take some work. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means work now, benefit later. Some ideas you can start in a few hours. Others might take a weekend. None require quitting your job or risking your life savings. The entry points are low cost and low skill. Start small. Test, learn. Be consistent. Don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one. Just start. The rest will follow. Are you ready? Let's build. First, the AI-powered niche blog. Pick a specific topic, like keto for dads over 40. Use AI to write articles, becoming a content machine. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Here's your plan. 1. Brainstorm your niche. 2. Set up a simple blog. 3. Use an AI writer to generate 10 article ideas. Start now. You see them all the time. YouTube channels with millions of views, but you never see the creator's face. They use simple animations, stock videos, and a calm voiceover to explain topics. Think about channels that explain history, science facts, guided meditations. These are faceless channels, perfect for an AI-powered passive income stream. You don't need to be a charismatic star. You don't need a fancy camera. You just need good information and a system for creating videos. AI can provide almost every piece of that system, turning ideas into video content fast. The process is like an assembly line. Flowchart, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Pexels, Storyblocks, Simple Editor. First, you need a script. Use ChatGPT to research and write a conversational script. Example, a channel called Amazing Space Facts. Ask it for a 5-minute script about black holes. Next, you need a voice. Use ElevenLabs. Use Murf.ai. Paste your script, pick a voice, and export audio. It sounds incredibly human. No one will know it's not you. Now you have audio. What about visuals? Find free stock videos and images on Pexels, Pixabay. Search clips, galaxies, stars, space animations. Put it all together. Use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Combine voiceover, clips, add background music, export. You can make several videos in an afternoon. Upload them, and they can earn money for years. Action plan. First, pick a broad topic you like. History, psychology, unsolved mysteries. Second, create a free YouTube channel. It takes 5 minutes. Give it a simple, memorable name. Third, use ChatGPT to write one short script, about 300 words. Then turn that script into audio with a free AI voice tool. Don't worry about the video yet. Hearing a professional-sounding voice gives momentum. Do that one thing today. Create your first audio file. That's your first step to becoming a YouTube creator. Imagine writing and publishing a book in a single weekend. With AI, you can create short, helpful ebooks, not novels, but focused guides that solve a specific problem, and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. AI is your co-writer, helping you go from idea to published author in record time. Once it's live, Amazon handles everything, and you collect the royalties. Here's your action plan. First, spend an hour researching popular short guides on Amazon. Second, use ChatGPT to create a 10-chapter outline for one topic. You've just started your book. What if you could run a popular social media account without ever having to post in real time? You can. Use AI to create content. Use scheduling tools to post it automatically and build an audience around a specific niche. This isn't about pretending to be a person. It's a theme account that provides value. Example, Daily Stoic Quotes. Example, AI news and tools. Example, minimalist home office designs. You become a curator for a community. The money comes from directing attention. Even a small following equals influence. Primary monetization, affiliate marketing. Also, sell digital products like workspace guides. Also, sell shoutouts to brands. Minimalist Pinterest flow. Create pins linking to products. Product example, a cool lamp. Product example, an ergonomic chair. Product example, a sleek desk organizer. Followers buy via your link. You earn a commission. Batch and automate content creation. Spend a few hours and make a month's content. For Daily Stoic, ask AI for 30 quotes. Pair quotes with royalty-free images. For AI news, use AI to summarize articles. Use a scheduler like Buffer or Later to upload and set daily posts. The account grows while you work or sleep. How to start this week? First, choose a niche. Write down 5 possibilities. Pick one. Second, create a new profile on Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. Don't use your personal account. Create a simple logo in Canva. Third, use ChatGPT to generate your first 7 pieces of content. 7 quotes, 7 tips, 7 facts, whatever fits. Schedule them to post over the next week using a free scheduling tool. That's your first win. Stock photography is a massive market. Businesses, bloggers, marketers, they all need unique images for websites, ads, and social media. They pay on sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Images. In the past, you needed an expensive camera and photography skills. Not anymore. Midjourney, DALL-E 3 creates stunning, photorealistic, completely original images from a simple text prompt. Anything you imagine. A koala in a spacesuit. A hyper-realistic modern office with city views. The passive income model is simple and scalable. Create an image with AI. Upload it to stock marketplaces. Write a good title. Write a good description. Add relevant keywords. Then move on. Every download pays a small royalty. Maybe 25 cents per download. But volume is the key. One great image can be downloaded thousands of times. Upload hundreds or thousands of high-quality AI images and those royalties add up. Do the work once. The asset works for you forever. Think like a buyer. Don't just make random cool art. Make images people actually need. Visit Adobe Stock and see what's popular. Look for concepts hard to photograph in real life. Abstract ideas, data security, innovation, mental wellness, niches, female construction workers in a meeting, diverse friends enjoying vegan pizza. The more specific and useful, the more likely a purchase. Let's get you started. Sign up for an AI image generator. Try Midjourney, worth the small monthly fee. Spend your first hour playing with prompts. Type different prompts and see what it creates. Learning the instrument. Second, research a popular category on a stock site. Make a list of 10 image ideas you can create. Third, create your first image. Focus on one high-quality, commercially viable photo. Don't worry about uploading yet. Create one photo you'd be proud to sell. This is your first digital asset. Section 1. A new breed of builder. We've used AI to create content and capture attention. Now we level up from content to products. Instead of relying on ad revenue, you'll sell directly to customers. Small software tools, online courses, and digital products. The barrier to entry has collapsed. You don't need to be a programmer. With new AI and no-code tools, you can build and launch a product in a weekend. This is how you build a real business. Income Stream 6, the AI Micro SaaS Machine. With AI and no-code tools, you can build a simple app that solves one specific problem for a niche audience. They'll pay a monthly subscription for it. This is recurring revenue, the holy grail of passive income. Here's your action plan. First, find a small, painful problem people complain about in online forums. Second, sketch the simplest possible solution. This is the blueprint for your money-making machine. Income Stream number 5. The AI-powered knowledge business. You have skills and experiences. Package that knowledge into an online course or a paid newsletter. AI is your partner. It can outline your course, write scripts, and draft content, removing the heavy lifting. Action plan. First, list your skills and pick one. Second, validate it by searching Google for existing courses or newsletters. Third, use AI to outline a mini course or your first few issues. In the AI gold rush, you can sell the picks and shovels. As more people use AI, they realize the quality of the output depends entirely on the quality of the prompt. This has created a brand new market, selling high-quality prompts. You create a prompt once, list it on a marketplace, and sell it an infinite number of times. Here's how to start. First, pick one AI tool and get good at it. Second, identify a common use case, like creating coloring book pages. Third, create and refine one killer prompt. That's your first digital asset. Think about all the places you hear music and audio. It's in YouTube videos, podcasts, commercials, video games, apps. All of that audio needs to be created by someone. Traditionally, that meant hiring a composer, sound designer, which is expensive and slow. Now, AI music and audio generation tools are here, and they are changing the game. Soundraw.io, AIVA. Generate unique, royalty-free music tracks by selecting a mood, genre, length. Epic cinematic score, chill lo-fi beat, corporate background track, in a matter of minutes, no musical ability required. Licensing your AI-generated creations creates passive income. Upload your tracks to Pond5, Artlist, Adobe Stock Audio. When a video creator or a developer needs a song, they license your track. You earn a royalty. Key, volume, and niche targeting. One track might earn little, but hundreds of high-quality tracks in different styles compound into steady passive income. Build a massive portfolio of audio assets that work for you 24/7. Beyond music, create and sell sound effects. Every app, game, video needs little sounds. Click, swoosh, success chime. Use AI tools or audio editors to make sound packs and sell on developer marketplaces. Pack idea, 100 sci-fi interface sounds. Pack idea, 50 retro 8-bit game over sounds. These are specific needs creators will pay to save time. Your mass-producing building blocks other creators need. Action plan. First, sign up for a free trial of an AI music generator. SoundRaw, Mubare. Spend 1 hour exploring the tool. Create 5 tracks in 5 genres. Don't aim for perfection. Get a feel for it. Second, go to a stock audio library and listen to best-selling tracks in corporate and podcast intro. Pay attention to structure and sound. Third, go back to your AI tool and create 1 track that fits that best-selling category. Save the file. That's your first audio asset, ready to sell. Millions use powerful tools like Notion and Zapier, but most only scratch the surface. This creates a huge opportunity for you to sell pre-made bots and templates. You do the hard work once, then sell it over and over again. Use AI to brainstorm ideas and build better products faster. Here's how to start. First, pick one platform like Notion. Second, solve a simple personal problem. Third, build the first version. You've now created your first sellable digital product. So you've started. You've built your first blog post. You've built your first ebook. You've built your first micro SaaS. You're in the game. That's huge. But right now, it's still a hustle. It still needs you. You're pushing the buttons. You're pulling the levers. You're making things happen. That's how everything great starts. But passive income isn't just another job. The goal is to build a system, a machine, something that runs on its own, generating income while you focus on the next big thing or take a break. This act is about moving from active hustler to smart system owner. Think of it like this. In Acts 1 and 2, you built a car. You sourced the parts. You put it together. You learned how to drive it. It can take you places, but you're still in the driver's seat. Act 3 is about hiring a driver, installing a GPS that finds the best route, setting up a self-fueling mechanism. We'll take your initial project and wrap automation and intelligence around it so it needs less direct daily involvement. This separates hobbyists from real entrepreneurs. Anyone can have a good idea. Many can start a project. Few build a system around it. They get stuck in the grind and become the bottleneck. We won't let that happen to you. We'll cover tools and strategies to automate workflows, to scale your marketing, to manage your finances, and to protect yourself from risks. This is the blueprint to turn your side hustle into a hands-off asset. Mindset matters. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like an owner. Owners design systems. They don't do all the work. When you're doing a repetitive task, your first question should be, how can I automate or delegate this? This act will give you the answers. Time to level up. Work on the business, not just in it. Let's get to work building your money machine. Automation is your digital workforce. It's not complex. It's about connecting the apps you already use, making them work for you 24/7. For example, use a tool like Zapier or Make.com to connect your store to your mailing list. When a new sale happens, the customer is automatically added. You set it up once, and it runs forever. Each small automation becomes a piece of a larger engine that runs your business for you. Once your system works, it's time to scale. This means pouring fuel on the fire to grow faster. The 2 best ways are paid advertising and outsourcing. Paid ads get your product in front of more people. Start small. Reinvest a portion of your profits. Your goal is simple. For every dollar you spend, make more than $1 back. Outsourcing buys back your time. Hire a freelancer for tasks that aren't the best use of your skills, freeing you up for high-value work. So, what's your bottleneck? Traffic or time? You can't improve what you don't measure. As income streams grow, it's easy to lose track. You need a simple financial dashboard. In a spreadsheet, list your income sources and all your expenses. This lets you calculate your return on investment, or ROI. Knowing your ROI shows you which projects are winners, helping you decide where to focus your energy. Without data, you're guessing. Action. Create this dashboard today. It takes less than 15 minutes. As you build with AI, you have to be smart about the rules. This isn't the Wild West. Ignoring legal and ethical lines can get you banned and destroy audience trust. The 2 biggest areas are copyright and disclosure. For copyright, always check the terms of service for the AI tools you use. Some grant you broad commercial rights, others don't. For disclosure, be upfront. A simple line like, AI was used to create some content, or This post may contain affiliate links, builds trust. Do this now to build your business on a solid foundation. Every business has risks. Your AI income streams are no different. What happens if the AI tool you rely on shuts down? What if a platform like YouTube or Amazon changes its rules and your income disappears overnight? Relying on a single tool, a single platform, a single income stream. A smart entrepreneur doesn't avoid risk, they manage it. The key to managing risk is diversification. Build a fortress, not a house of cards. Diversify your tools. Diversify your platforms. Diversify your income streams, so no single failure can take you down. First, diversify your platforms. Don't rely on one social network's algorithm and policies. You don't own your audience, they do. The most important way to mitigate this risk is to build an email list. Use your blog, your YouTube channel, your social accounts to drive signups. Your email list is an asset you own and control. No algorithm change can take it away. It's your direct line to loyal fans and customers. Second, diversify your income. When your first AI income stream runs on autopilot, start a second. If you earn from Amazon affiliate links on your blog, consider selling a digital product, like a prompt pack on Gumroad. That way, if Amazon cuts commissions, your business won't collapse. 3 or 4 small income streams make your finances stable and resilient. You're building a balanced portfolio of passive income. Final action plan: risk mitigation checklist. First, set up an email list with MailChimp or ConvertKit. Add a sign-up form on your website or a link in your social bio. Get your first 10 subscribers. Second, examine your primary income stream. Identify the single biggest point of failure. Is it one platform, one tool? Write it down. Third, brainstorm another AI income stream to start next month. You don't have to start it now. Just make a plan. Diversify today so your business survives long-term. You now have the complete playbook. The core idea is the hook list action framework. Find a hook that grabs you. Study the list of examples, but the only part that truly matters is action. Taking small, consistent steps. So here is my challenge. Right now, pick one idea that sparked something in you. Write down the first 3 small action steps to get started. Then do the first one today, not tomorrow. Today. Your journey starts now.